Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make perfect pan-seared salmon going with a fresh pico de gallo salsa. We are going to start with 4 8-ounce Verlasso salmon fillets, skin off. We are going to pat them dry on both sides with a paper towel to make sure they do not stick when cooking them. What we want to do at this point is season them well on both sides with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. We're going to quickly set them to the side. Then we're going to add some olive oil to a large frying pan over high heat. Once the oil begins to lightly smoke, we are going to add in the salmon. Be sure not to crowd the pan so that we sear them, don't steam them. Then we're going to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This is going to help brown them up and make sure they don't stick. After about 3 minutes, we are going to come back and give them a flip and cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to finish with a squeeze of a lemon. Set that to the side. Then for the pico, I've got some Roma tomatoes, which I'm going to dice up. These are great to use all year long. Next, we're going to add in some seeded jalapenos, garlic, red onion, some finely chopped fresh cilantro, lime juice, and then we're going to season it well with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Let's give it a quick mix with a spoon to combine it. Then just quickly set that to the side. Let's break out our salmon and plate this up. Grab that salsa. Hope it wasn't too far. We're going to generously spread it all over the top. Of course, you can serve some up on the side. I'm also going to garnish with some fresh lime wedges and a little bit of diced avocado for some color and flavor. And I'm telling you what, this is a perfect, quick, delicious weeknight meal.